Are you interested in learning more about how to create professional videos for your YouTube channel, social media, or website, or produce eye-catching content without hours of editing? Today, I'm going to introduce you to FlexClip, the ultimate AI-powered video editor. In fact, it's not just a video editor, but a whole AI system for making videos, AI images, audio, and more thanks to their dozens of tools. It's actually pretty amazing. In this video, I'll walk you through an example of how to create stunning videos step by step using FlexClip's AI tools, stock footage, and seamless editing features. If you've tried Canva or CapCut for video editing, FlexClip offers a fresh alternative with built-in AI tools that take your content to the next level. What blows me away is that FlexClip makes it effortless to transform a simple prompt into a polished video. Let's try it now. Now I'm in FlexClip. The first thing you need to do is log in. After that, this is what you'll see inside. There's a lot. First, all kinds of templates on all sorts of topics. If you have projects, they'll be here. There are long-form and short-form ones, and even some in square format. But for now, I'm going to focus on the video editing properties and how to make a video. So go here and click on Create Video. Choose your format. I'll choose 16 by 9. Then it's going to ask you if you need to import media. For now, I'll skip that step. Now I'm in here. Check out some of the different things that are included. I'll click on Tools. Look at this. There's a video creator where you can actually generate AI videos. There's also a text-to-speech generator and a translator if you need it. Need to make some images? You can do that too. But for now, let's go to the AI Video Script button and choose that. In this area, you can describe exactly what you want to make a video about. I'm just going to ask it to write a documentary about the haunted history of Savannah, Georgia. Then click on Generate. Wow, it's really fast. It's already creating my script. Next, I'll go up here and click on this AI to Video button. First of all, how about a caption style? I'll pick this one then. Click Generate. Now it's making the video for me. Look how fast this is. So this process took roughly 5 seconds to complete. Over here you can see the actual pictures it has added. If I want to make changes, that's very simple to do. If I need to replace any media or add another scene in between this and this, I could. But for now, I'll click on Replace Media and check out my options. All right. I replaced that one. And if I wanted to replace any of these others, I could. I'll make a few more changes to these, so you can see. I have come through here and replaced a lot of the videos. The voiceover is on and Genie is chosen. Here are more voices. If you want to hear them, just click on the triangle to actually listen to the voice. I will choose Brian. Then you can choose General, Chat, etc. How about Friendly? Then click OK. Then click Apply and choose this on the next page. Now FlexClip is actually creating the video. All right, you saw how fast that was. Now here's my new video. This is the narration, here are the captions, and here is the music. Let's play it. FlexClip just made this video from a single sentence idea in under 5 minutes. If you wanted to, you could make all kinds of changes. I do think I'll make a few tweaks. If we wanted to add transitions in between scenes, go to Transitions and choose what you like. I'll add one, and then we'll go to the next step. Apply to all scenes. Now go ahead and export it. Here are your options. You can go all the way up to 4K if you want. I'm going to keep the settings as they are for now. And then click Export. Let's see how quickly this renders. It has 16 scenes, and you see how quickly it's going through them. And now, there's my final video ready to go. Let me show you the final product.
Welcome to Savannah, Georgia, a city steeped in history, beauty, and hauntings. Founded in 1733, Savannah was the first colony in Georgia. Its roots run deep, intertwined with tales of struggle and the supernatural. One of Savannah's most famous haunted locations is the Old Pink House. Here, whispers of the past still echo through its walls. It's said that the spirit of James Habersham, the house's original owner, roams its halls, seeking solace from his tumultuous life. Venture into Bonaventure Cemetery, where the dead rest under Spanish moss, each grave a story, some with ghostly companions. Gracie Watson, a child who tragically died at just 6, is another spirit said to haunt these grounds, seeking her family. The Marshall House, built in 1851, has seen countless lives and deaths. Guests report strange noises and apparitions. In room 204, visitors have felt an unexplained chill and encountered the ghost of a soldier from the Civil War. Savannah's history is also marked by piracy. Legend has it that buried treasure is protected by a ghostly curse. Along Factor's Walk, you might catch a glimpse of a spectral figure believed to be a long-lost dock worker. At the Sorrelweed House, stories of tragedy unfold, ghostly encounters linked to a forbidden love affair. Every corner of Savannah has a tale. Haunted walking tours keep these stories alive for brave souls seeking an adventure. People often say they feel an energy here. Savannah is a living city of the dead. In Savannah, the past and present intertwine. The spirits of history linger, waiting to share their stories. Join us as we explore these haunting tales. Don't forget to subscribe for more chilling histories.
So, what do I think about FlexClip's capabilities? I like it. Actually, I love it. I've really enjoyed using it. It's simple, intuitive, and a huge time saver. Being able to create an entire video from a sentence still astounds me. Of course, it does require tweaking to make it the best content possible, but that's where our human brain comes in, right? This AI-powered video editor and suite of AI tools is definitely a game changer. FlexClip makes creating videos surprisingly easy, even if you're just starting out. So if you're looking for something to streamline your projects, this product is definitely worth exploring.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.